Forest and Wildlife Resources 60 MCQs. 1. What role do forests play in the ecological system? A. Secondary consumers. B. Primary producers. C. Decomposers. D. Tertiary consumers. Answer. B. Primary producers. 2. The Narak mentioned in the text refers to the creator of music in the world of A. Santals. B. Mundas. C. Lepchas. D. Bishnois. Answer. C. Lepchas. 3. Which of the following is not mentioned as a life support system preserved by conservation? A. Water. B. Air. C. Fire. D. Soil. Answer. C. Fire. 4. In which year was the Indian Wildlife Protection Act implemented? A. 1970. B. 1972. C. 1973. D. 1980. Answer. B. 1972. 5. Which of the following is an endangered species mentioned in the text? A. Blue whale. B. Kashmir stag hangal. C. Spotted deer. D. Wild boar. Answer. B. Kashmir stag hangal. 6. How many types of crocodiles were given legal protection under the central government projects? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer. C. 3. 7. The Godawan is another name for which protected bird? A. Indian peafowl. B. Great Indian bustard. C. House sparrow. D. Hornbill. Answer. B. Great Indian bustard. 8. In what year was Project Tiger launched? A. 1972. B. 1973. C. 1980. D. 1988. Answer. B. 1973. 9. What was the estimated tiger population at the turn of the century, which dwindled to 1,827 by 1973? A. 40,000. B. 55,000. C. 75,000. D. 100,000. Answer. B. 55,000. 10. Which two countries provide habitat to about 2/3 of the surviving tiger population? A. India and Bangladesh. B. India and Bhutan. C. India and Nepal. D. India and China. Answer. C. India and Nepal. 11. Corbett National Park is located in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Assam. D. Rajasthan. Answer. B. Uttarakhand. 12. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in A. West Bengal. B. Kerala. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Assam. Answer. C. Madhya Pradesh. 13. Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which state? A. Rajasthan. B. Kerala. C. Uttarakhand. D. West Bengal. Answer. A. Rajasthan. 14. Manas Tiger Reserve is located in A. Kerala. B. Assam. C. West Bengal. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer. B. Assam. 15. Periyar Tiger Reserve is found in the state of A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. B. Kerala. 16. Sundarbans National Park is located in A. Assam. B. West Bengal. C. Orissa. D. Bihar. Answer. B. West Bengal. 17. Under the Wildlife Act of 1980 and 1986, which insect was added to the list of protected species? A. Honeybee. B. Dragonfly. C. Mosquito. D. Silkworm. Answer. B. Dragonfly. 18. In which year were plants first added to the protected list under the Wildlife Act? A. 1980. B. 1986. C. 1991. D. 1995. Answer. C. 1991. 19. How many plant species were initially added to the protected list in 1991? A. 4. B. 6. C. 10. D. 12. Answer. B. 6. 20. What fraction of the total forest land has been declared as reserved forests? A. 1/3. B. Less than half. C. More than half. D. 1/4. Answer. C. More than half. 21. Which type of forest is regarded as the most valuable for conservation of forest and wildlife resources? A. Protected forests. B. Unclassed forests. C. Reserved forests. D. Community forests. Answer. C. Reserved forests. 22. Almost what portion of the total forest area is declared as protected forests? A. 1/3. B. Half. C. 2/3. D. 1/4. Answer. At 1/3. 23. Unclassed forests belong to A. Government only. B. Private individuals only. C. Government, private individuals, and communities. D. International organizations. Answer. C. Government, private individuals, and communities. 24. Reserved and protected forests together are also referred to as A. Temporary forest estates. B. Permanent forest estates. C. Commercial forest estates. D. Virgin forests. Answer. B. Permanent forest estates. 25. Which Indian state has the largest area under permanent forests? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Kerala. Answer. At Madhya Pradesh. 26. What percentage of Madhya Pradesh's total forest area constitutes permanent forests? A. 50%. B. 60%. C. 75%. D. 85%. Answer. C. 75%. 27. Northeastern states and parts of Gujarat have a very high percentage of their forests as A. Reserved forests. B. Protected forests. C. Unclassed forests. D. Permanent forests. Answer. C. Unclassed forests. 28. Unclassed forests in the northeastern states are mostly managed by A. The central government. B. Forest department. C. Local communities. D. Private corporations. Answer. C. Local communities. 29. Villagers fought against mining citing the Wildlife Protection Act in which tiger reserve? A. Sariskar Tiger Reserve. B. Periyar Tiger Reserve. C. Corbett National Park. D. Bandhavgarh National Park. Answer. A. Sariskar Tiger Reserve. 30. The inhabitants of 5 villages declared 1,200 hectares of forest as Bhairodev Dakav, Sonchuri, in which district? A. Jaipur. B. Alwar. C. Jodhpur. D. Udaipur. Answer. B. Alwar. 31. The famous Chipko movement originated in A. Western Ghats. B. Aravalli Hills. C. The Himalayas. D. Nilgiris. Answer. C. The Himalayas. 32. The Chipko movement showed that community afforestation can be successful using A. Exotic species. B. Commercial crops. C. Indigenous species. D. Genetically modified plants. Answer. C. Indigenous species. 33. Beej Bachao Andolan is an initiative started in A. Terry. B. Alwar. C. Chota Nagpur. D. Bishnoi villagers. Answer. A. Terry. 34. Navdanya and Beej Bachao Andolan have promoted crop production without the use of A. Irrigation. B. Synthetic chemicals. C. Manual labor. D. Organic manure. Answer. B. Synthetic chemicals. 35. What does JFM stand for? A. Joint farming mechanism. B. Joint forest management. C. Jungle forest mission. D. Joint flora management. Answer. B. Joint forest management. 36. In which year did the JFM program come into formal existence? A. 1972. B. 1980. C. 1988. D. 1991. Answer. C. 1988. 37. Which state passed the first resolution for joint forest management? A. Orissa. B. Rajasthan. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Kerala. Answer. A. Orissa. 38. What is the primary purpose of JFM? A. Commercial logging. B. Management and restoration of degraded forests. C. Expanding agricultural land. D. Building wildlife sanctuaries. Answer. B. Management and restoration of degraded forests. 39. As a reward for successful protection, under JFM, local communities get a share in A. Mineral wealth. B. Agricultural produce. C. Timber harvested. D. Land ownership. Answer. C. Timber harvested. 40. Virgin forests left untouched by local people due to nature worship beliefs are called A. Unclassed forests. B. Sacred groves. C. Reserved forests. D. Commercial forests. Answer. B. Sacred groves. 41. The Mundas and Santals are indigenous groups mainly from which region? A. The Himalayas. B. Western Ghats. C. Chotar Nagpur region. D. Thar Desert. Answer. C. Chotar Nagpur region. 42. The Mundas and Santals worship which tree? A. Peepal. B. Maova. C. Banyan. D. Neem. Answer. B. Maova. 43. The tribals of Orissa and Bihar worship which tree during weddings? A. Mango. B. Teak. C. Sal. D. Sandalwood. Answer. A. Mango. 44. In Indian society, which trees are widely considered sacred? A. Peepal and banyan. B. Oak and pine. C. Eucalyptus and bamboo. D. Teak and sal. Answer. A. Peepal and banyan. 45. Herds of blackbuck, chimkara, nilgai, and peacocks are protected by which community in Rajasthan? A. Santals. B. Mundas. C. Bishnoi. D. Lepchas. Answer. C. Bishnoi. 46. Troops of macaques and langurs are often fed and treated as devotees around many. A. Schools. B. Temples. C. Commercial markets. D. Forests. Answer. B. Temples. 47. Who is quoted saying, "The tree is a peculiar organism of unlimited kindness and benevolence"? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Gautam Buddha. C. Ashoka. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer. B. Gautam Buddha. 48. According to the Gautam Buddha quote, what does a tree offer even to the axemen who destroy it? A. Fruits. B. Wood. C. Shade. D. Flowers. Answer. C. Shade. 49. Which of the following is an example of an ecosystem with immense biodiversity mentioned in the text? A. Mars. B. The entire habitat we live in. C. Only the oceans. D. Only national parks. Answer. B. The entire habitat we live in. 50. Plants, animals, and microorganisms recreate the quality of A. Air, water, and soil. B. Minerals and ores. C. Synthetic chemicals. D. Industrial products. Answer. A. Air, water, and soil. 51. Which of the following is not listed as a conservation focus recently? A. Butterflies. B. Moths. C. Beetles. D. Domestic dogs. Answer. D. Domestic dogs. 52. Why were the tiger skin and bones primarily poached? A. For decorative items globally. B. For traditional medicines in Asian countries. C. For meat consumption. D. For scientific research. Answer. B. For traditional medicines in Asian countries. 53. What does biodiversity integrate closely in a system? A. Forms and functions through interdependencies. B. Human industries and factories. C. Only large mammals. D. Global financial markets. Answer. A. Forms and functions through interdependencies. 54. Which state is not listed among those having large percentages of reserved forests? A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Haryana. Answer. D. Haryana. 55. Which of the following states has a bulk of its area under protected forests? A. Tamil Nadu. B. West Bengal. C. Punjab. D. Maharashtra. Answer. C. Punjab. 56. What is the primary cause for the great stress on flora and fauna recently, according to the text? A. Insensitivity to our environment. B. Climate change alone. C. Excessive rainfall. D. Decreasing human population. Answer. A. Insensitivity to our environment. 57. What is required for agriculture to maintain traditional crop varieties? A. High chemical fertilizer. B. Genetic diversity of plants and animals. C. Deforestation. D. Monoculture farming. Answer. B. Genetic diversity of plants and animals. 58. Which of the following is a crocodile species mentioned for legal protection? A. Nile crocodile. B. Gharial. C. Cayman. D. Alligator. Answer. B. Gharial. 59. The Indian elephant and snow leopard have been given legal protection against A. Migration. B. Hunting and trade. C. Habitat creation. D. Natural death. Answer. B. Hunting and trade. 60. Which community-led initiative proved that ecological farming without synthetic chemicals is economically viable? A. Project Tiger. B. Navdinya. C. JFM. D. Wildlife Protection Act. Answer. B. Navdinya. Forest and Wildlife